This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant on Touchpad, updated. Start by lowering in-game sensitivity and adjusting touchpad sensitivity in system settings for finer control. Practice consistent finger placement and use short, deliberate swipes to aim and peek. Disable tap-to-click and enable two-finger scrolling only if needed to avoid accidental actions. Train with bots using shooting ranges and focus on mastering flicks, tracking, and recoil comp. Choose a control layout that keeps essentials within comfortable reach and use simple gestures for frequent actions. Bind primary fire to a reliable multi-finger tap and reserve a thumb area for movement and abilities. Consider swapping lesser-used keys for gestures or corner taps to reduce travel. Keep layouts consistent between practice and matches to build muscle memory and reduce errors under pressure while you refine what feels most natural. Warm up each session with targeted drills in the practice range or an aim trainer to build control. Start with slow tracking exercises, then practice flicks to head level using short, repeatable swipes. Track recoil patterns by simulating spray control and adjust swipe length for distance. Increase sensitivity in small increments only when your hit percentage improves, and keep sessions short but frequent to develop reliable touchpad aim without fatigue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.